In the triangle, YZ is produced to T. The length of the side XY is equal to the length of the side XZ. Angle YXZ is equal to 40 degrees. And angle XZT is equal to 13x minus 20 degrees. Find the value of x. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. When we consider the diagram carefully, we can see that the triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle because the length of two sides are equal. The length of the side XY is equal to the length of the side XZ. If the triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle, then it means that the angles formed at the base are also equal. So the angle here will be equal to the angle here. So if we call the angle here A, the angle here will also be A. The interior angles of the triangle XYZ are 40 degrees A and A. We know that the sum of the angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. So it means that for the triangle XYZ, if we add its interior angles, we should get 180 degrees. So A plus 40 degrees will give us 180 degrees. A plus A will give us 2A. When we send 40 over to the right hand side, we will have 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which will give us 140 degrees. To get A, we will divide both sides by 2. So you divide the left hand side by 2 and the right hand side by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel each other out, so we have A here. And this will be equal to 140 degrees divided by 2. 140 degrees divided by 2 will give us 70 degrees. So it means that the angle formed here is 70 degrees and the angle formed here is also 70 degrees. Now we can see that the 70 degrees angle formed here and the angle XZT, which is this angle, that is given to us as 13x minus 20, are angles on a straight line. The 70 degrees angle and the angle 13x minus 20 degrees are angles on a straight line. From plane geometry, we know that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So what it means is that 70 degrees plus 13x minus 20 degrees will give us 180 degrees. 70 degrees minus 20 degrees will give us 50 degrees. And so we will have 13x plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. When we send 50 degrees over to the right hand side, we will have 13x is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. 180 degrees minus 50 degrees will give us 130 degrees. And so 13x is equal to 130 degrees. We will divide both sides by 13 to get x. So x will be equal to 130 degrees divided by 13. 130 degrees divided by 13 will give us 10. So the value of x in this diagram is 10 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is option A.